Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to work with raster data, specifically here digital elevation model. This video includes how to extract raster data using polygon, as well as estimating slope, aspect, and also curvature in arcgis. Okay, let's start. In order to extract raster data by polygon, we are using extract by mask. That is completely different from vector data that we used clip. In order to do this, I'm gonna search again extract by mask and open my tools. We have three options here. In the third line we have to define the raster data. In the second we have to define the boundary that we are going to clip or extract our raster data. In the third one we can define a name and also a folder if you want. For example, I'm gonna put study area, it's abbreviation, and if I click on OK, we have the error name. Okay, we can say DEM. I think we solved the problem of error. Sometimes we have this problem and you need to pay attention carefully. If I run the tools, it's gonna take a while. However, after 1 second we can see extracted DEM. Okay, as I said before, in order to visualize it in a better way, I'm gonna give it a color, and you can see its elevation over my study area with high elevation and also low elevation. In the second step, as I said before, I'm gonna estimate slope. This kind of estimation will help you in extracting area from a slope, and also will help you to understand the area's elevation. In order to do this, I'm gonna search slope, and again we have to input our raster data. That is my extracted DEM. Then here we can see the output. We can define a name if you want. I'm gonna reduce it. In the second one, there are two ways in order to measure your slopes. One is degree and the other one is percent. Depends on your purpose, you can choose one of them, and the other we leave them as a default. Pay attention to this Z factor. If your data has a coordinate system in an appropriate and in a correct way, you have this Z factor. Otherwise you will see it as a 0 and you will have a problem when you estimate slope. Okay, let's click on the okay. After a while we can see estimated slope for my study area, and it starts with a low slope to high slope area, that is 67. Okay, let's go to estimate aspect, that it's here. If it will not be here, you can use search in order to find it. Okay, again we have to input our raster data, and also here we can find some information regarding this tools, how it's converted data, and also more information. If you are interested, you can read them. Again, my input raster will be my digital elevation model. Again, I'm gonna give it a name aspect, and I leave the methods as a default. Okay, as you can see, the aspect estimated for my digital elevation model, and these are the classes of my aspects, and as you can see, they are in a different geographic directions, from north, northeast, east, and so on. Okay, in the third one, I'm gonna estimate curvature, and it's similar to the previous tools. We need to import our raster, that it's DEM, again a name, and leave the other lines default and select on OK. Okay, we have curvature, and again it's based on elevation. You can see a high elevated area has a high curvature. Okay. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you, and thank you very much for your attention.